This is going to be a recording of installing the bike spools on the V-Strom. It's a 6mm Allen key bit. There's only two components. So a really simple install. So the bolt drops in there, and then the two aluminium pieces sit together. Bolt straight in. Just hand tight. Don't have to go in tighter. Take you in close and have a look. 2-second install. And that's how it looks. V-Strom. And if you pretend, you can loosen that and put it dead straight on top, but I don't care. Let's go to the other side. Okay. Same process. It's not easy to record it. I'll just spin that on. I'll just turn the back a bit. So you leave the V-Strom on top. I'm going to do it. And just tighten it up, hang tight. Oh, there we go. That's in. That's the bike spool video. Now I can lift the bike into position when I work on it. Helps it cleaning the chain, even though it has the bike stand on there. Okay, that's the completion of the first bike build install for the bike spools. See you guys. Suzuki V-Strom bike build video number 2. This is the tank pad sticker off AliExpress. You can go genuine Suzuki. These you pay substantially less, but here you go. So that's the general thing. It'll sit here. Don't know what this top small one is. What that's for. Oh, it goes, sits in here. Looks like we'll peel these stickers off. You don't want these stickers too much or too long on the bike anyway, because the sun burns them in, and then it leaves a stain on the bike, on the plastics. So always wear your helmet and eye protection, or is it, and protection clothing. Read owner's manual carefully. Okay. Be gone sticker, and you had to do that. Oh, this is going to be difficult to remove, isn't it? So that just goes to show how long on a new bike it's difficult to get the sticker off. Okay, we're back, and 10 minutes later we're trying to remove that sticker. Thanks, Suzuki. We really get it on good. Okay, so I'm going to try this. This stuff is eucalyptus oil, and I'm going to put a little bit on some makeup off, just a little bit. Just wipe it off, all out in the hand, and rub it out. Just do little circular motions just to soften it. Put the cloth over. Yep, it's coming off. Sticker residue. Just little circles. Okay. Then the next one with some water. Just a damp little bit of damp water on it. So you don't want that residue staying on the plastic. You can actually feel my eyes burning, so you don't want to be goggles doing that. Okay, so that's wiped off with a damp bit of water. Then we'll get the Windex. Then you want to clean the surface again. We'll dry it down first. A little bit of Windex. You know Windex doesn't hurt the bike. There you go, brand new. Perfect. Okay, that's on. Now the placement. I'm going to eyeball it. Goes like that. So we might start with the top piece. Hopefully this sticks really good. You seem to peel off fairly easy. What we'll do is we'll take that back a bit. Oops. Can't fail too many times at installing this. That's the first one. And we drop it back. My apologies. First bit of loosening. That's on there. Let's put the bottom one on. I have to stand on the outside. Okay. That's right. Okay, close enough, near enough. Press it down. Okay, looks alright. Okay, let's see. Let's watch the bubbles. You know what? It's crooked. It's better. Last one. Question is, you want Okay, it's in. Goodbye, ugly fuel stickers. Hello, stylish. Let's take this off. Let's have a look. Now, like I said, you can go the genuine Suzuki sticker, or you can go this one. It's a lot affordable, off AliExpress. Now the colours, you know, it's not bad. So that concludes build number 2 for the V-Strom 1050. Thanks guys for watching.